Hello YouTube, Box Fan Willie here. I've got me a Sears, I'd say from 1979 or 1980. This is a Sears 3-speed 20-inch box fan with a thermostat with the penthouse controls on it. This is not the same Sears that I got here about a month ago. As you can see, that one's still dismantled and still being worked on. Plus the blade styles are just a little different. But this is another one I found on eBay and went ahead and got it. And this one I'll probably end up putting on the rollabout stand. But anyway, it works good. It's pretty clean. It has, it's got some minor flaws such as a slat missing and it's splitting here on the edge, but that can be easily fixed. I still have yet to take it apart and oil it and get it serviced up, but it works good on all 3 speeds. So let's go ahead and fire it up and see what she's got. Not bad spin down. Let's go ahead and fire it up again to show that the thermostat works. As you can see, it's got one of those plastic motors in it. Model number 453-81310. This is the Lasko Sears branded 20-inch box fan, the yellow blade edition. Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.